Hello everybody, welcome. First apology, I am not good in English. Just follow my steps. First, open your task manager. Control Shift S. Here you will find background processes. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft malware protection, anti-malware service. All we have to do is just we are going to delete it or delete the folder, Windows update folder also. Anti-malware service, right click on it, open file location. Here is the exe file. We are going to delete it. First, we need to install IOBit Unlocker. Link in the description. Go and download it first. Install it. I already have it. I am going to install it. Install complete. Now find again open file location. MSMP. Right click on it. IOBit Unlocker. Just click unlock and delete. Now see, there is no MP or SP exe file. Now program files, Windows Media Player, Defender, Windows Defender thread. Right click on it, IOBit Unlocker. Unlock, delete. Program x86, Windows Defender, Media Player, Internet Explorer. I am going to delete these folders. Just right click on it, IOBit Unlocker. Yes. Click on this, unlock and delete. All are gone. Now program files, main folder, Internet Explorer, just delete it. Now go to Windows, System 32, scroll down, at the bottom we have to find WUSA, Windows Update Standalone Installer. We are going to delete this also. IOBit Unlocker. Now our Windows will never update. Download and install automatic update. Now go to manage. Here is the manage folder. Now go to manage, service and application, services, background intelligent transfer service, disable it, Windows update running, stop, disable it. It will never run again automatically. Now go to setting, privacy, scroll down, background apps, let apps run in the background, turn it off. Now open task manager and again here you will see Microsoft Edge. I am going to find this folder and delete also. Here is our Microsoft Edge. I have it. Unlock and delete. Now go again task manager. Find any other background process. Nothing. Now you will see your PC will be faster. Go to setting, update and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. You will see no background process. Automatic sample submission, cloud delivered protection, real-time protection disabled. Just follow these steps and now play and enjoy. Play any kind of game like Free Fire, PUBG. Enjoy it. Do not forget to subscribe, please.